On behalf of the
All
captain and his crew,
passengers
may I
on
welcome
board,
you aboard this
Captain.
flight.
Cabin
I would
signs
like to
on,
bring to your
please.
attention that the captain has now turned on the seatbelt sign, and if you haven't already done so, please store your luggage in the overhead lockers and take your seats so we may have an on-time departure. Passengers seated by a designated exit may be called upon to open that exit in the event of an emergency. Please refer to the safety briefing card located in the seat back pocket in front of you. If you consider yourself unable to perform this task, please notify a member of the cabin staff. I must also ask that you refrain from using any electronic devices, as these could interfere with the aircraft's onboard electronic systems. I will inform you when it is safe to bring these items out for use. If you have any questions about what devices you can use on board this aircraft today, please refer to the Welcome Aboard section of the Airway magazine. Thank you for your attention.
Contact tower on 126.8 when ready. Taxiing hold short runway 19 right via taxiway Alpha Lima, Frontier Flight 261. John Wayne Brown, United 270 with Zulu, ready to taxi IFR. United 270, taxi to and hold short at runway 19 right, taxiway Alpha Lima. Contact tower on 126.8 when ready. Taxiing hold short runway 19 right, using taxiway Alpha Lima, United 270.
Start number 1. One stable. Start number 2. Two stable. Start number 2. Two stable. Parking
Flight
brake
attendants,
off.
please prepare for gate departure.
John Wayne Brown 378 with Zulu. Request taxi for takeoff. Departure to the south. 378 taxi to and hold short at runway 19 right via taxiway Alpha Kilo Charlie Lima. Contact tower on 126.8 when ready. Taxi hold short runway 19 right via taxiway Alpha Kilo Charlie Lima 378.
Okay on the right.
Okay on the left, flaps 5.
Flaps 5.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I ask that you direct your attention to the forward part of each cabin to the TV monitors for a brief and important message about the safety features and procedures for this aircraft. Please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened, your seats are in the upright position, and the tray tables in front of you are secured, ready for takeoff.